Hello guys, I rarely come to the field with a fire extinguisher, but this is a different situation. I have a 90mm 8S free wing motor with a 5000 8S high voltage pack, which I'm not utilizing because my charger doesn't go up that high, but this is basically 100mm wider than a fun jet and similar to a fun jet. I made a little bit of a change, but this is called the Psycho for good reason. The Psycho has 1-to-1 thrust at 1/3 throttle. So just to show you what's going to happen here, I do have a hand launch mode enabled with AS3X. That just reminded me that I have to turn these throws down because it's going to get wild. Things are going to get really wild with aileron. I'm going to go 30. All right, so now it's precise. All right, keep my surroundings good. There's nobody around. I came here early for that reason. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and just throw it. I am thinking that this is going to go way faster than my other speed project. Just what matters is if the CG is right or not. So, all right, this is scary. This is really, really frightening. I'm gonna keep it short because I don't know if it's gonna crash right now. Ready? Oh my God. It is going. And it's flying really easy. It flies so easy. How is this possibly so easy to fly? I have not gone over half throttle yet, guys. Wow. I gotta stay out of the sun. Oh my God, I feel like I'm flying a turbine. I can't keep, it's very difficult to keep track. Oh my God. Guys, this is not easy. That's off throttle. I cannot tell you how good this thing flies though. I'm gonna make adapters for every fan size. Oh my God. I can't, it's like impossible to keep this thing straight. I mean, no, it's so razor sharp, but I can't see it. I need glasses. This is changing. I can't see. Who needs a turbine, guys? This is like no joke. Holy crap. Wow. It sounds like a turbine from the air going around the plane. What the hell? I have never had my blood pumping this hard. What do I want to do? 2 more clicks of... Holy jeez. Oh my goodness.
This thing is a psychopath. That was off throttle for 10 seconds. Now the landing is going to be an interesting thing because it has very high wing loading. It's 5.2 pounds from memory. It's 5.2 pounds and it has 12 pounds of thrust, guys. That's why it's the Psycho. I took off on half throttle and it took off like a powerful plane. All right, so let me just do this as a little test. And it's very efficient. Treetop height. I want to check my voltage, and I really want to check the speed on the thing. Oh no! Yes! Yes! Oh, okay. Oh wow! Wow! The Psycho is a freaking psychopath. I recommend that you should try this. I've never flown anything this fast. Now, if you go back on my old YouTube, I had 180 mile an hour fun jet. I don't know for sure because I never had a GPS in it, but a few people on the RC groups Dopplered it with the sound and they said it was in the 180 range. I don't know that for a fact, but yeah, I got the GNSS analyzer in here, and I am going to check that. I'm going to take a screenshot, and then I am going to come right back to you guys. All right, guys, it was 152. That is pretty insane. I think that I did come on a windy day with the other plane that I designed for a customer that went 158, and I think I probably had a decent tailwind. So I think that, you know, with a tailwind, this thing's going to be in the 160s easy. But well, obviously, if there's a 10 mile an hour tailwind, you're 162. So yeah, there is zero wind today. I don't even know if there's a flag anywhere, but all the flags are down. There's no wind, and I tried to not when I went up, flipped it over, and then came down. I tried to wait until I hit the bottom until I went full throttle. So this thing, it's on rails. It flies like a laser beam, and it feels very rugged. And it's because I printed everything in 6% infill, except for the control surfaces and this last little pedestal piece for the fan, and that's 2-wall. So this piece here is 2-wall 3%, 2-wall 3%, and it's totally strong enough. And yeah, this was fun. And I'm actually amped up right now, so I'm going to save that battery for a little bit later when I get to fly with my buddy Ryan later. So I wanted to come here though before the wind, because the wind is going to get crazy. It's going to get like 35 mile an hour later. So I wanted to just get this Maiden in quick. CG is perfect. This thing's done. It is done. It's ready to be delivered. So you guys are going to be happy about that the Maiden was so successful. I have nothing to change. It's this and the Vertigo, and there's maybe 5 or 6 planes that are like on like laser rails where like you can like it just almost self-centers itself, and it's not the AS3X. I know the difference. That's more it's just has this really locked in feel to it, if that makes any sense. So big battery, big fan, little plane. Worked out just like I thought. It's a little bit of an increase in size to the Fun Jet. I don't think going any smaller is going to help you because you need some battery space. And look at all that space in there. Tons of room. Battery's in a perfect spot. That's all I can give you today. I will make another video next time I fly it, and hopefully you guys like this, and hopefully you have balls big enough to print it and fly it, because I want to see these things painted up in cool paint schemes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.